Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. I'm Aisha, and today we're going to discuss something very important: how to introduce yourself confidently in English.
That's right. Hi, everyone. I'm Ali. Introducing yourself is one of the most essential skills you can have. You need it everywhere: in school, college, work, interviews, and even when you meet new people.
Exactly. And yet, many people feel nervous or anxious when it comes to introducing themselves. It's completely normal to feel that way. But don't worry. Today, we're going to make it simple and easy for you.
Yes, by following a simple step-by-step formula, anyone can introduce themselves confidently and make a great impression.
So let's start with the very first step. The most basic way to introduce yourself is by saying your name, where you are from, and what you do.
For example, you can say, "Hello, my name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I am a student." Notice how simple and clear that is. You're giving all the important information without overcomplicating it.
And here's another example. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Lahore. I work as a teacher. When you say it slowly and clearly, it already shows confidence. And don't forget to smile while speaking. It makes a big difference.
Absolutely. Many beginners rush their words or speak too fast, which can make them nervous and less confident. Remember, the key is clarity and confidence.
Once you are comfortable with the basics, the next step is to make your introduction a little longer by including your hobbies, interests, or something unique about yourself.
For example, you could say, "Hello, my name is Ahmed. I am a software developer. I like learning new skills and exploring technology."
Or, hi everyone, I'm Aisha. I'm a college student and I enjoy learning English. I also love reading books and writing short stories. Adding a personal touch makes your introduction memorable and gives the listener something to connect with.
That's right. When you add hobbies or interest, it makes the conversation more natural and helps you stand out. People remember someone who shares something unique about themselves.
Now, let's talk about professional introductions. If you are introducing yourself in a job interview, business meeting, or a professional setting, you can also include your experience, skills, or strengths.
For example, you could say, "Good morning. My name is Umar Khan. I work as a sales executive. I have 3 years of experience in the sales field, and I am hardworking and motivated. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself."
That is perfect for professional settings. Notice how Umar included his name, job, experience, and one or two strengths. It gives a complete picture to the listener without taking too long.
Exactly. It's also important to adjust your introduction based on the situation. In casual conversations, like meeting new people at a social event, you don't need all the details. A short and smart introduction works best.
For example, you could say, "Hi, I'm Hamza. I'm a digital marketer and content creator." Short, simple, and to the point.
Or, "Hello, I'm Noor. I love teaching and learning English." These short introductions are easy to remember and make a positive impression.
Another important point is to avoid common mistakes. For example, never skip the word is in your sentences. Many people say, "My name Ali," instead of "My name is Ali."
Also, avoid speaking too fast. Speak clearly and confidently, even if you make small pauses. Pausing is okay. It actually shows that you are calm and collected.
And remember, practice is key. Repeat your introduction 2 to 3 times every day. You can practice in front of a mirror or record yourself and listen back. This will help you improve your pronunciation and confidence.
Yes, and don't just memorize your introduction. Try to feel it and believe it. When you enjoy speaking about yourself, it will sound natural and confident.
You can also practice introducing yourself in different situations. For example, at school, you can say, Hello, my name is Aisha. I'm a student and I love science.
At work, you can say, "Hi, I'm Ali. I work in the marketing department and I enjoy learning about social media trends." Adjusting your introduction based on the situation makes it relevant and effective.
Another tip is to engage the listener. After your introduction, you can ask a simple question like, "What about you?" This keeps the conversation going and makes it interactive.
That's a great tip. People love it when you show interest in them. It makes your introduction more than just words. It creates a connection.
So, to summarize, there are a few key points. Start with your name, origin, and profession. Add hobbies or interests to make it memorable. Include experience or strengths if it's a professional situation. Keep it short and smart in casual conversations. Speak slowly and clearly. Smile and practice daily.
Exactly. Introducing yourself confidently is the first step to making a good impression. The better you do it, the more opportunities will come your way.
And don't worry if it feels difficult at first. Everyone starts somewhere. With regular practice, you will speak confidently and naturally.
So start practicing today. Record yourself, speak in front of a mirror, or practice with a friend. Small daily practice makes a huge difference.
That's it for today's episode. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English confidently. Remember, the key to a great introduction is clarity, confidence, and being yourself.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this episode helpful. Stay tuned for our next podcast, where we will share more tips on improving your English speaking skills for daily life and professional success.
Until then, keep practicing, stay confident, and never stop learning.